So in the question we have a steel rod is 4 centimeter in diameter. So diameter of steel rod is equal to 4 centimeters. And alpha of steel, that is linear coefficient of linear expansion of steel, is 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6. And its temperature, let's take it as T1 is equal to 30 degrees. And diameter of brass rod is equal to 3.992 centimeters. Alpha of brass rod is equal to 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6. And T1 of this rod is also 30 degrees. We need to find the common temperature. We'll take the common temperature as T2, where they both can slide, where they can, when both the rings can just slide on each other. So this brass rod can steel on this steel. So we need to find a temperature where the brass rod can slide on this, so that this brass rod can slide on the steel rod. So for that, delta D of steel should be equal to delta D of brass. So delta D is equal to D alpha delta T. Delta D is nothing but D2 minus D1 is equal to D alpha delta T. So D2 is equal to D1, this is D1 plus alpha delta T. So this will be equal for steel and brass. Now we'll substitute the values. So D1 of steel is 4 into 1 plus alpha of steel is 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into delta T. Delta T is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 is 30 degrees. This should be equal to delta D of brass. So that is D1 of brass is 3.992 into 1 plus alpha of brass is 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus T1 is 30 degrees. So now we'll multiply 4 and 3.992. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into 11 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is 44 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus 30. This is equal to 3.992 plus 19 into 3.992 is 75.848 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus 30. So we'll send this whole term this side, and we'll send 3.992 this side. So 4 minus 3.992 is equal to 75.848 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus 30 minus 44 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus 30. This is 0.008. It is equal to, from this whole term we can take 10 to the power of minus 6 into T2 minus 30 common. So it becomes 75.848 minus 44. So if we send 10 to the power of minus 6 this side, it becomes 10 to the power of plus 6. 0.008 into 10 to the power of plus 6 is 8000. It is equal to T2 minus 32. 75.848 minus 44 is 31.848. So we'll multiply this term with this 31.848. So 8000 is equal to 31.848 T2 minus 34.848 into 30 is 955.44. So if we send this term this side, it becomes 8000 plus 955.44. So it becomes 8955.44 is equal to 31.848 T2. So T2 is equal to 8955.44 by 31.848. This value is approximately equal to 281.1 degree. So if you will approximate it, you will get 280 degrees Celsius. So the option is C.